ball possession for Team Sual. Number 2, he passes jersey number 13, controlling the ball, the fourth general. Shot clock winding down. Number 13 pulls off. No bounds. Rebound now by jersey number 2. As he passes jersey number 13, the fourth general, down from the backboard. Guarded by number 20 passes. Passes number 4, Civiliano. He fakes. He drives. Using the board is good. 2 points. It's Torres for the receive, fars outside. Number 1 is Torres. 3 points. Passes gets a rebound, but still. Here comes Borja. Lays out. Easy 2 points. Reverse. No good. Rebound by number 2. Number 2. Attack is an off. Sual. From the backboard. It's Torres finding his teammate, finding number 24 at Pingola, set the screen, and Pingola pulls up. Yes, sir. 2 points. Pagaduan, no guard by number 24 at Pingola. He passes the jersey number 19 to guys. As again, fires outside. Number 2, Atacador, 3. Number 13 gets a foul plus a basket. Number 13, Borja. Borja is on the run. Borja attacking the basket, slides in the middle, block shot. Borja again with the 2 points. Here comes number 2. Atacador fires on 3. Number 2, Atacador, 3 points. Setting for a play now, signaling. Passes using the screen, kicks it out to number 1 is Torres. 3 points. Rebound now by jersey number 0. He passes out to number 20 passes. Here comes passes 1-on-1 break. Reverse layup is good. 2 points. Second row serve, rebound by jersey number 24 at Pingola. Pipilit sa loob. Papasa ngayon sa labas. Ang Loro gets a foul basket. A foul on center is good. This is down low. Borja with the wide open layup. Natividad, he passes jersey number 0. Lepres lays up. Yes, sir. 2 points. It's number 2, Natividad. Natividad controlling the ball, setting for a play. He passes on number 1 is Torres. And Pingola, 2 points. Shot clock winding down, 50 seconds. Pagatuan drives, bars, no good. Tip it, another miss. Rebound by jersey number 12, pulls up. Yes, sir. 2 points by number 12. Number 31. That's inside, no good. Rebound by jersey number 34 at Pingola, and Pingola is off the run now. Attacking the basket, lays up and shoot. 20 seconds, just seconds. And Pingola block shot, 5. Here comes Atacador, trap pass. Yes, sir, 2 points for number 11. Number 13. He passes on jersey number 16 to number 13, kicks it out to Atacador, fires again on 3. No bounce. Fast break now to passes. Here comes passes wide open. Easy 2 points. Intercepted by Atacador. Here comes Atacador, 3-on-2 break. No good. Rebound by Civiliano, fires, another miss. Atacador again for the rebound. Floater is good. Timeout. Natividad. Dahil ang guardia. Pass to number 1 is Torres. Fars. Number 1 is Torres. 3 points. Borja. Attacking drop pass. Civiliano gets the easy basket. At Pingola pa rin. Sasagasa, papasa sa labas. Nepres. Libre si Torres. Pasok yan. Third deadlock of the morning, Civiliano. From the 15-foot line, pulls up jump, 2 points. Number 11 to number 0. 20 seconds. Ang ganda play, 2 points. Shotgun winding down, key pass on number 1 is Torres. Pass on Bingula, lays up, 2 points.
Ang may-ari ng kotse na may plate number na DAB 5919. Nulit ko po kung sino po yung may-ari ng kotse na SUV na DAB 5919.
Lepres fires for 2 points. Pulls up number again, rebound by number 24 at Bingula. Pass breakdown to his Torres, 2 points. Defense on number 20, passes. Passes setting for a play, winding the back as Torres launches it, no good. Pass breakdown to Borja. 2 points. Then again. 19 pass on jersey number 2, Atacador, 4 minutes, 5 seconds. Atacador attacking the basket, fires, 2 points. Shotgun, winding down. Pass is no good. Rebound. Pass break now to Civiliano. Civiliano fakes. And 2 points. Again, rebound by jersey number 11, the boy. He pass to passes. Passes. Kick out shot. Loro. 3 points. Loro pulls up young. 2 points. Warning. Torres. 3 points. Good. Tugoy, pass to passes. Passes. Easy 2 points. Pick up by jersey number 19, Dugas. 40 seconds. He pass to Atacador. Atacador attacking the basket. Lays up no good. Atacador again for the rebound. Another shot is good. 30 seconds. Is Torres. 3 points. 20 seconds. 2 points by number 2, Atacador. Pass on number 1 is Torres. Pass to Nepres. Nepres fires for 2. No good. Rebound by Torres. Gets stays at 2 points. We acknowledge the presence of Vice. We acknowledge the ABC presidents of Municipality of Kumandan. Alexander Aquino, good morning, sir. Shotgun winding down is Torres. Second swing, fires a 3. Number 1 is Torres. 3. Borja. Pass in the center. Digs it out. Civiliano. 3 points. Atacador, pass on jersey number 19, Lucas. Another steal. Here comes number 25, Loro. 2 points. Number 2, Atacador, no good. Offensive rebound. He's in 2 points. Change paper again. play up, no good. Rebound by Debres. Pass break now to Agloro. Easy 2 points by number 25. Here comes Pangatuan. Pangatuan to si Villano. 3 points! They rebound by jersey number 1. Fast break now to Agloro. Agloro attacking the basket. Runs up to score. 2 points. Tugas spinning. Fakes, fires, no good. Another one. Block shot. Another rebound. Atacador with the easy 2 points. Isolation play. Passes. 3 points. Down from the backcourt. He passed now on jersey number 1 is Torres. To jersey number 25, Agloro. Agloro spinning, goes off. Yes! Another good. Another steal by passes. Bounce pass. Goes up jumper. Yes, sir. 2 points. Timeout. Sual. Sual timeout for Children. Good. The points with number 55, Agloro. Seconds. That's the end of the ball game.